have reports that allow the homeowner to re-experience what was discussed at the visit. And this is kind of important because you're going to be going over a lot of information with them, and it may be overwhelming. So they may want to be able to chew on it afterwards. And the report also ends up being your documentation that of all of this information, was that they were educated about the information and were given the opportunity to make their own decisions. Um, the
Likely
HVAC,
Load has actually changed our equipment setup in our price book, just so you know. Like our furnace BTUs are altered because of your likely load that you've put out.
can you explain that a little bit further?
So like before, anytime we had a matchup, like a 3-ton, for instance, it either have an 80 or 90,000 BTU furnace with it. Now those are being paired with 60s and 70s,
Okay, and
based on
that's
likely load.
and how did likely load cause that to come about?
One of the owners of the company made it happen. I'm not allowed to say his name, but he asked me not to. But basically, he is part of the reason. He has seen likely load because this asshole sends him a bunch of messages all the time, messing with him. And he's actually integrated it into our pricing. Also, say we're going to do a furnace only now, and I go to this house. When I go to 80 or 90% of furnaces only, it has 1.5 ton, 2-ton, 3-ton, 4-ton, 5-ton furnaces. They're not labeled in BTUs until you open up that tonnage. And they did that for two reasons. One, because we want them to continue to lower size of capacity on these furnaces based on likely load. But they also are forcing these guys to look at the size of the air conditioner on furnace only estimates rather than just looking at the furnace. And
Oh,
it's actually helped us sell more full systems